Hello, my name is Mike Banks. I'm Knights of Columbus Council 4442. I handle the committee report submission to the state website, and today I'm going to give you a overview of the committee report, the chairman committee report activity intake form used to collect the data for each activity. We'll start by navigating to the council website, kfc4442.org. Once you're there on the landing page, you want to click on the activity report here in the center, and it opens up the form. At this point, you want to read the instructions. Download a copy of this form to your computer first before completing report form. Open downloaded file from your computer, complete report, then save your report to your computer with a unique file name. So Coats for Kids, you'll have some reference to Coats for Kids on there. Email the final report and any photos to the following address, and that address is activityreport@kfc4442.org. So we'll start by downloading a copy of the form, and that will go, put that right on the desktop. And then I'm going to go to my desktop and I'm going to open up that form. And we'll drag that over here. And so here's our form. It's 2 pages long. Page 1 is the form, and page 2 is just a description of the various activities and how which ones fit into which category. So that is really how you start out. You select your category and use page 2 to determine what event falls into what category. Chairman's name and email address would go in this field. Start and end dates. If it's the same, if the event is on the same day, then it's as simple as putting the same date in both fields. If it spans multiple days, then put your start and end dates in there. The title of the event and a really brief description. Number of member volunteers. These are the count of volunteers that are members of the Knights of Columbus. Then a count of the volunteers that are non-members. And then a total of the hours. This would be combined for members and non-members together, and then the members that were recruited during the event. Donations, at this time, donations would be the money that was raised. Looking to get some further clarification, but for the time being, this would be the amount of money that was raised during the event, if it does apply. Planning hours, number of hours that were spent planning the event. Planning costs. Look at this as the seed funding to get the project or the event off the ground. This would be food or ordering supplies or whatever that would be associated with the event in order to get it off the ground. Next is the name of the participants, separated by commas. These fields, these larger fields will scroll, so you can go beyond just the borders of these fields. Next is who benefits from this project. Pretty self-explanatory. What problems or need did this project resolve? So obviously you'd have a purpose of your event and what it's resolving. Justification for why the council selected this project. Again, very subjective. This free form. I look at this as, it's an annual event. It's well supported by the council. We've been doing it annually for X number of years. It's a good fundraiser. Public's involved. It's good exposure of the Knights, our council specifically, that kind of thing. And then the last box, it's really just an overall summary of what took place during the event. Number of people that attended, the was a good day for the event. Lots of volunteers. We raised X number of dollars. That kind of thing. And this is pretty much a summary, free-form summary of what took place. So when you're done filling out this form, then you want to file and then save as. I'll save it in the desktop, and this would be test event. And we'll save it here, and then it's just a matter of opening up your email, and then at that point submitting it into, as I mentioned, the email address activityreport@kfc4442. I get a copy of this form. Grand Knight gets a copy of it as well, and it goes to the webmaster. So it multiple folks receive it, and I take the form and I submit it up to the state website. So hopefully this tutorial was of use, and if you have any questions, you can reach out to me via email at mike@mikebanks.com or by phone at 603-479-9470. Thank you very much, and have a good day.